Good morning, good day. Happy Transfer Tuesday, everybody. It's Transfer Tuesday. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mind Your Money. If you're here for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome to the channel. Thank you to all the new subscribers. I've been seeing the numbers go up in the last couple of days, so thank you so much for your support. And for all my legacy builders, thank you, thank you, thank you. So Transfer Tuesday is the one day of each week where we transfer money towards some of our financial goals and we make money moves. So we like being a part of this community. We like being a part of this movement that was started by Mary at Pennies Not Perfection. She candidly and openly just shared her journey, and it became a movement. And that's how movements start. When you're passionate about something, when you're trying to reach for something, just go for it. My hair is doing what it wants to do. And on this channel, we have been documenting our journey to debt freedom, and we are now debt free as of August 21st, 2021. So on Transfer Tuesdays, we are also documenting our journey towards financial freedom and building generational wealth. And if you don't know, I am a wife and a mother of 3 boys. I am going to be sharing with you today what money moves we made, what transfers we made in the last week. And I hope that you would continue to share what you've done, because we want to support and encourage you on your journey. No dollar amount is too small to transfer on, no matter what day of the week it is. I can't even talk. Whatever day of the week it is, you can put money towards your goals and let it compound over time. And let's get right into it. All right, so before I get into the numbers, I want to shout out Inya from, where is she from? Hold on. Inya Phi Journey. That is her YouTube handle. Now, Inya, on last week, she said, "Happy Transfer Tuesday. This week, I have done so many moves. I sold our entire Fidelity portfolio and paid off over 16K consumer debt. We are going to move very soon, and we are cleaning up a bit of our finances, freeing some cash flow." That is amazing. That is wonderful and amazing. When I saw her comment, I screamed, literally. I couldn't believe it, because Transfer Tuesday, even just being on a journey to become financially free, it takes a lot of strength and guts. I said this before in a video. It is not for the weak, and $16,000 is a lot to move from what you've been investing, to move that and pay off some liabilities. So she decreased her liabilities by $16,000, and that is amazing. So please make sure to share what you're doing and what you're transferring and what money moves and boss moves you're making in the comments, because we want to not just shout you out, but also encourage you, because encouragement is a good motivator. If you don't agree, then you don't have to comment. But please, if you know that you're making some moves, even if it's not as large of an amount, whatever you're doing is important for your future and your family's future. So please share it below. Now, I have my notes written down, so I'm going to go ahead and share with you what we did this week. So our emergency fund is our top goal, right? The large goal is to get it to $20,000 as soon as we can, but $10,000 by the end of this year. All right. And we're putting whatever money we can, and we're gaining any little interest we can to put money in that account. Next, our next goal is to build up our Robinhood portfolio. Now, the first thing is we want to make sure to get that to at least 2 shares in each individual stock and each individual ETF that we own. That is a big goal for us. Now, also, because we are building up our dividend portfolio, there was a 3-digit amount there last week. We're trying to get it to 4, which means we want to reach $1,000 in there by the end of this year. And I believe we can do it, even though it's not our top priority, but it's number 2 in the list. All right. So our emergency fund. Last week, the balance was $7,939.98. And over the past week, we were able to contribute $100 towards our emergency fund. That was planned in our budget. I haven't used any money from IBOTTA or Rakuten or swag bucks or surveys on the go, I'm leaving that there because I'm actually wanting to use that next month. We also have some cash rewards available on our Quicksilver card, but I'm not using that just yet. So $100 for this week, and I'm still happy about that because every transfer makes a difference. So now our balance in the emergency fund is $8,039.98. I'm happy about that. All right. Now, Robinhood. Robinhood last week, when I filmed on Tuesday morning, had a balance of $771.42 in that portfolio, and we made some money moves there. So we contributed $13.37 from the brokerage cash to purchase more into Qualcomm. So Robinhood gives you fractional shares. You don't have to buy one full share if you don't have it. That's why I said every dollar makes a difference. So that $13.37 that we added or we bought into Qualcomm brought us up, but then the market does fluctuate, okay? It goes up and it goes down. So we're not discouraged. Every time we look at their portfolio once a week, or me sometimes multiple times a day, we will see that it goes up and it comes down. And so that's fine. It's normal. It's a normal part of the process. And we've been doing this for just under a year, so we can expect some changes. So this week's balance is less than last week. It's at $753.39. But we have additional fractional shares in Qualcomm, and everything else is moving just the way it should. So we have faith that it'll go up again and it will continue to be on the rise, especially because we're going to be contributing more and more and more so that we can build up those dividends. So this is not investment advice. Please make sure to do your own research and due diligence before you start investing. However, platforms like Robinhood, M1 Finance, Webull, they make it very easy for people like me and you, just a normal person, pushing to do something extravagant and great, like building generational wealth, is using it. So even if you make a modest income and you can maybe only put $5 a week, trust me, it makes a difference. Now, if you use the code or the links in my description box to sign up for Robinhood or M1 Finance, you get a bonus and I get a bonus. It is mutually beneficial and it will help you kickstart to growing your individual portfolio, okay? It's very, very easy. And there are multiple videos about that. So if you want, you can check out the Transfer Tuesday hashtag and you'll under my channel and in my description box, and you'll see other videos that explains how to use the platforms. All right. The third money move that we made this week, I'm pausing because I'm excited about it because I finally did it, is I opened an HSA, an health savings account. Now, shout out to Mommy Trader, who shared so much about this on her channel. And I have been secretly a little bit upset because my employer doesn't offer that. I don't have 401k through my employer. I don't have an HSA. But I was able to open one on my own, and my first contribution was $5. So that is super exciting. That was my money move. And I want to call it my major money move for the last week because I finally have one open so we can start saving and investing in there. The maximum contribution in a health savings account for me, based on my tax bracket, is $3,600. So we will not reach that this year because, again, that we just opened it. It's not the top goal for right now, but we are going to contribute as much as possible, even if it's an automatic $5 per month. We're going to get it to where we can actually be able to use it and benefit. So there are tax benefits to that. And if you want to know more about it, I can't tell you right now because I'm still doing more research so I can explain it in a way that I understand it and you can understand it as well. So check out Mommy Trader. I'm going to link her channel in the description box so you can go ahead and see what I'm talking about, because it's amazing what you can do when you start building wealth. You have to look at tax advantage accounts because whenever your money is growing, you don't want to have to pay more taxes. You want to try to pay less. And there's a whole lot I can talk to you about that because running a business, having a home-based business, Dr. Lynn Richardson talks about this a lot. So I follow her. And if you don't follow her, please go and check her out on Instagram. Check her out here on YouTube because she gives a lot of great information about running a home-based business and how to hire your family to work for you and cut your tax rate, almost in half and maybe down to nothing. So please check that out because that's one of the things we're trying to get to next. We're thinking and we're talking about how to save money and keep more of our money and not give it away to the alphabet boys. Shout out to you, Niger. So I'm so excited that you were here. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment in the comment section what transfers you made, what money moves you made, what boss moves you made. We want to support and encourage you and keep reminding you to mind your money, manage it well, and live your lives to the fullest. Wait. We are on the road to our first 1,000 subscribers. Supporters, friends, internet cousins, fellow legacy builders, please share this video. Please share the channel with anyone you know who might benefit from it. And make sure to click that like button. It helps push this video out further into the YouTube algorithm. And also subscribe to the channel. We want to increase our family. We want to increase the people that we can encourage and inspire to manage their money well. So thank you so much. And I appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Mind your money, manage it well, and live your lives abundantly. Bye for now. Thanks for being here.